Welcome to this week's episode of Miles Around. On this week's show, we're going to take a look at two brand new vehicles for you. We're going to start off with this. It's the 2008 Chevy Equinox, and then we're going to move on to something new from Jeep. It's the Jeep Grand Cherokee, but this time around it has a diesel engine.
And it all starts right now. Welcome back to the program. If you have a chance, make sure and go to milesaround.com. You'll see updates on the radio and the television show, as well as new segments on the Project Toyota Tundra. But for now, Nick, what's next?
Let's get to some Miles Around news.
Hi, this is Dennis with Miles Around Television. I'm here at the Expo Center here in Portland to check out the first annual Portland Motorcycle Show. We'll take a look at street bikes, cruisers, dirt bikes, and ATVs. But first, let's take a look inside the show. Well, we'd be lying if we didn't say we grabbed him and dragged him into the corner of the Portland Motorcycle Show. It's Jason, the promoter of the show. Now, tell us a little bit about the program here.
Well, you know, Portland has a great automotive show every year that showcases 2008 automobiles. This is the equivalent for motorcycles on two wheels. We don't have anything like it in the area, so we felt and we wanted to produce something that the dealers, motorcycle enthusiasts, and people that are interested in buying motorcycles can come to and be proud of each and every year. So we assembled quite a few dealers. We've got about 13 different motorcycle manufacturers represented at the show, and people are coming in, they're feeling, touching, throwing a leg over the bike, and considering their next purchase. We've got a great spattering of everything. So not only do we have dealers, but we've got people that are selling parts, apparel, and accessories. We've got locations where you can go and ride your motorcycle. As you mentioned, the track, Cascade Track Time and SDS Performance sponsored the event, and they host motorcycle road racing days at PIR, Portland International Raceway. And you know, it's a good, safe environment for a person to go out and learn a little bit more about the actual capabilities of these new bikes that are coming out. Because, you know, let's face it, Dennis, quite frankly, most of these bikes will do a lot more than the layperson can actually handle. So why not go out and learn how to do it the correct way through instructors? We also have the folks from Team Oregon, who are the Motorcycle Safety Association for ODOT. They're out here giving a few demonstrations out in the parking lot. They're talking to people about how to get licensed, what it takes, what safety gear to wear. So, you know, these are all important components to motorcycling.
We really appreciate you letting us come by. We'll definitely make sure we're here next year. Now, if people want to get involved in this program, how do they get a hold of you?
They can go to our website, portlandmotorcycleshow.com. My phone number, my email address are there. They're welcome to contact me anytime.
All right, well, the one thing is, now I'm going to hold you to this because we're going to promote the heck out of it because we're avid motorcyclists on the show. You do it because why? Because I get to ride your RC51. This is Jason. He can't say anything more from Miles Around Television.
Thanks, Dennis.
Here are the guys that make Miles Around possible. The Russ Auto Group, Baxter Auto Parts, Northside Ford, Ray Reese Dealerships, 4-Wheel Parts Performance Center, Grand Prix Imports, and J. Lee's Auto Group. Thanks, guys.